Hello my dear children. So before going to do practice, I want to read one point of theory of power, and that point name is reaction force. So here in reaction force, according to Newton's law of every force has an equal and opposite force. When an automobile crashes into a wall with a force of 2000 pounds, the wall will return a force of 2000 pounds, or forcing the end of scissor down with a ton of weight will provide an upward force of the same weight. If your opponent is rushing towards you at a high speed, by the slightest blow at his head, the force with which you strike his head would be that of his own onslaught plus that of your blow. The two forces combined is which is large and yours. The two forces combined is his which is large and yours which is small are quite impressive. This then is the reaction force from the opponent. Another reaction force is your own. A punch with the right fist is aided by pulling back the left fist to the hip. So this is reaction force. Okay. So one more thing I want to read, that is philosophy of Taekwondo. In that one point I want to read. So that point is third point. Be content with what you have in money and position, but never in skills. So one more time. Be content with what you have in money and position, but never in skills. Okay, children. So this, I hope you clear with these things. Okay. So let's start the practice. Thank you. Children, give me type on, hands on, stand up, students up. I shall observe the tenets of Taekwondo. I shall respect the instructors and seniors. I shall never misuse Taekwondo. I shall be a champion of freedom and justice. I shall build a more peaceful world. And some 5 tenets of Taekwondo: courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit. Jimmy. Hello my dear students. So today in this session we are going to practice, or we are going to learn. Myself Chidanand, you know that already, and one of my co-instructor name is Mr. Vikram, first degree black belt. So he is going to show you the first related exercise. It's called side sit-ups. Okay. So first you have to feet apart like this. Okay. And as possible you can see here, and you have to keep your hands straight, or you can, if you want, you can keep like this also. Okay. So first, just in beginning, basic thing, first you can keep and you can catch your wrist. Okay, first you practice like, you can sit one side. One. Okay, see, you can observe here when he's sitting one side, left side or right side. So his leg is straight and he's locking his knee here, and this feet is straight upwards. Okay, and here heel is down. Okay, 2. Okay, you can observe same here. 3, 4. Okay, up, get up. Now the same exercise, now he is going to show you in this direction, in this view. Okay? Come back. Face that side. Feet apart. Sit to your left. Okay, you can observe now when he's sitting down, his back is straight. Okay, if you keep little front also, this is wrong. You're not supposed to keep like this. You have to keep your back straight. The tense should come on your thighs. Okay, ready? 1. You can observe. 2, 3, 4. Okay, stand up. So this one you have to go for 20 side sit-ups. Okay. Now he's going to do the side stretching. Okay. After this, you can go for side stretching. Okay. Hands on hip. So first you have to keep your hands on hip like this. Slowly go for stretching. Okay. Slowly as possible. Okay. Slowly you have to go. You have to stretch. You have to split your leg as possible as down like this. You have to go down and put your palms down now. Okay. You have to keep your palms properly like this on the floor. And here in this position, you should not supposed to bend your knee. Your toe should be down. Okay, like side kick lunge. Even here also. In this position, your heel, your knee and your hip should be in straight line. Stand up. The same exercise he will show in this direction. Hands on hip. Straight. Don't bend your knee, keep your legs straight. Now put your palms down. Yeah. So he went as possible as down. Okay. Now he kept his palms down now. So in this you can observe here his heel, knee and hip is in straight line, horizontal. Okay. Stand. So once when you go in this position, okay, hands on the hip. After that you have to go for the push-up. Go for stretching. Okay. Again he came back to the same position now. So here you can see palms down. So you have to look straight. If possible, try to touch your chest to ground. Or if you can't touch your chest to ground, you can keep your hands in diamond shape like this. Diamond shape. Okay. Here you can touch your forehead to your hand. 1. Yes. Sorry. 2. You should be careful while doing this. Okay. Don't bang your head to the floor. Do slowly. 3. Okay. So here when you are doing this exercise, you have to feel the stretching in your inner thigh. Okay. Inner thigh and here also. Okay. Inner thigh and the calf muscle. Calf muscle means this part, shin here, and little bit in knee also. Okay. 3. Okay. Keep on now. If you can do, if you can touch your chest to the ground, you can hands apart like this. Okay. You can widen your hands and keep like this in push-up position, and you can try to touch your chest to ground. Okay. You can see now. 1. Slowly. Back straight. 2. 3. Okay, children, start. Very good. So you can stretch like this. Okay. So day by day you have to increase your stretching. You have to go down, again it will stretch. Okay. Again you go down, it will stretch. Okay. Don't try it in one day. One day is not possible. Day by day you have to increase your stretching. So now you play with the side stretching and push up and same. Okay. Now he is going to show you in the front. Now he is going to show you front stretching. Okay. Hands on hip. Same again. Go. Okay. You have to keep your one leg straight. Front here like this. Slowly go down. Here back leg should be straight. Okay. Now see. You can see here. He can keep arms down. Yeah. So here this hand and this hand, between this hands your leg should come here. One leg. Okay. In this position. Okay. Stand up. Same, that's it. Okay, same exercise we will show you in this view. Change your leg. Come a bit more back. Okay, straight. You can observe here. Yeah. So back leg should be straight. Okay. In this position, when you are going to do this exercise, here you have to try to touch your forehead to your knee. 1. Don't bend your knee. Keep your leg straight. Okay, here. This is very important. Okay, here even here you have to feel stretch in hamstring here, hamstring no, hamstring and in calf muscle. 2. Yeah. 3. Stand up. Now other leg he will show in this direction. Okay. Hands on hip. Same other leg now. Okay. You can observe 1. Back leg straight. 2, 3, 4, stand. Okay, children, I hope you clear with this related exercises. So before going to practice, I want you to make sure that you have to complete your warm up. So after warm up, you have to go for stretching exercise. This okay. Before like stretching exercise, you did know that we showed you that side setup first. Later you go for the side stretching, and after that you go for the front stretching. Then you can start the practice. Okay, children. So now we go for the practice. Okay, children. Now we are going to practice Chaunji pattern. The first pattern. Okay. Chaunji means heaven and earth. Okay. Once again, Chaunji means heaven and earth. So here in this pattern, total 19 movements are there. Okay. So the diagram of the Chaunji is plus. Okay, the diagram of Chaunji is plus. This pattern include having only 3 movements. The first movement name is walking stance, lower block, and the second movement name is walking stance, front middle punch, and the third one is L stance, inner forearm, middle block. Okay. So I told you the total the pattern, the diagram of John is plus. Okay. So first you have to we will show you the three movements. Okay, Jimmy. Okay, right leg back, walking stance, only walking stance. Okay, open up one. So here you can see this is right leg back walking stance. Now we keep our lower block. Okay. Okay. Now moving forward, lower block. One, move forward. Two. Now backwards. One, two. Okay. Now we are going to show second movement. Okay. The second movement is walking stance, front middle punch. Okay. Move forward. One, two. Backwards. One, two. Okay. Now we are going to show you the third one. Okay. Third movement is L stance, inner forearm middle block. Okay. Ready. Move forward. One, two. Backwards. One, two. Jumping. So here, so always the pattern will start from the left side. Okay, from left. Suppose if you are standing in this position, jumping. Okay, we both will together will perform the first movement. Okay, the first movement left side. Okay, so first start the block, punch, block, punch. The whole pattern is like that. Will block and punch. Okay, so here jumping, turn left side, go for lift your left leg, cross your hands, and go for left leg front, left hand lower block. One. Okay. So after this you have to go for the move. You have to go for punch. Move forward and punch. Two. Jimmy. Okay. One more time. One. Two. Okay. Now you finish with the right hand. Okay. You finish right hand now here. So what you should do, if you finish with the right hand, you have to turn back. Okay. Okay. You can see now. Three. Slowly cross. Okay. Now what I did, I took my right leg back and kept my right leg front only and right hand lower block. Now I move forward and go for left hand front middle punch. Okay. Four. Jump. So once again. Okay. Jumping. One, two, three, four. So I told you, if you finish with the right hand, you have to turn back from right side. If you finish with the left hand, you have to turn left. You keep it in your mind. If you finish with the right hand, you have to turn back. If you finish with the left hand, you have to turn left. So now I finished by left hand. I have to go for left side now. Keep your left, turn left side, left leg front, left hand lower block. Okay. 5, 6. So now here you can see I finished by right hand now. Now I will turn back now. Okay. Same. Right leg front, right hand lower block. I told you first block, punch. Block, punch. Okay. So now you can see. Okay. Now this 6, 7, 8. Jumping. So we completed 8 movements. You clear with? I hope you clear with this. Okay. So you have to start from left side. Block, punch. Block, punch. Okay. So we completed 8 movements. You keep it in your mind. Okay. We completed 8 movements. After 8 movements, the one movement will change. Okay. So one more time I will perform you. Okay. So what I will do now? I will turn that side. Okay. And I will perform. I will show. Okay. You can see now. Jubi. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we completed 8 movements. Okay. So I told you after 8 movements, one movement will change. So that is L stance, inner forearm middle block. So even that I told that you have, if you finish by left hand, you have to turn left. So I finish my left hand now. Left hand punch. Okay. So I have to turn left side now. Okay. You have to cross your hands and go for inner forearm. Sorry, inner forearm, middle block. Okay, like this. One more time. 9, 10. Now again punch. Okay. Now right hand. I finish my right hand. I have to turn back. 11. Inner forearm, middle block. 12. 13. Because I finished my left hand, then I will turn. I am going to turn left side. Okay. This is 13. 14. Punch. Now right hand, turn back. Okay. This is 14. 15. 16. Punch. 17. One more punch. Now we have to go for backward punch. Okay. Backward. 17. 18. 19. After completing pattern, you have to say Chonji. Here I have to say Chonji. Judy. So what I did now? I started pattern by turning that side. So I face this side and again I start the pattern. So I will finish the pattern here. You can see. Ready? Chonji pattern. On my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here 16. Okay. So left hand you finish. One more punch you have to go move forward and go for punch. 17. After completing 2 punch, this is 17. You have to go for backward 2 punch now. Okay. 18, 19. Chonji. So I told you to be. So I told you total 19 movements are there in Chonji. Okay. Okay, children. So I hope you clear with this. So now, whatever steps I told you, you practice slowly. Okay. Step by step. You keep it in your mind. One block, one punch. You have to start from left side. All patterns will start from left side only. Okay. So that is first thing. And second thing is where you will start the pattern, there only you have to finish. Okay. So here, that is the second thing. And one more thing. Third thing is in Chonji pattern, after 8 movements, the one movement will change. So that is you start with the lower block and punch. Forearm lower block, and second movement is punch, again block and punch, and after completing 8 movements, the movement will change, that is inner forearm, middle block. Okay. L stance, inner forearm, middle block. Okay. So after completing 16, you have to go for one more movement moving forward, that is 17th one, moving forward and punch. Okay. After that you have to move forward for 2 punches, and when you complete 19th one you have to finish by right hand. Okay, not left hand. You have to finish by right hand. So that is 19th one. After completing 19th movement, you have to go for Chonji name. You have to say Chonji pattern name. Okay. One more time. We will show in C-Jack. Judy. Chonji pattern on our own count. C-Jack. Chonji. Yummy. Okay, children, I hope you clear with this thing. Okay, children. So practice in home. Okay. All the best. So okay, let's start the cooling down exercise now. So just I am going to show you 2 types of cooling down. Okay. First, what you should do? Okay, you have to go for stretching. Okay. Okay. So you should go as much as down and sit back. Okay. Your hands on hip. Okay, here, put your palms down. Okay, so try to touch your forehead with your hand. 1, you can do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put your hands here like this. Keep your 1. Yeah, so here when you're going down, your body should be in this position. 1. Okay. 2. Yeah, side the same. 3, 4, 5. Keep your back straight. 6. Yeah. 7, 8. Join your legs. The same. Okay. But keep your leg in. One leg back here. Leg in and back here. Okay. Touch and twist. Ready? Start. Hands on hip. 1. Left. Okay. 1. Touch and twist. 2. Okay. Change. Okay. Same. Other leg. Okay. You have to do that 10 counts. Okay. Getting cramps and all that. Okay. Ready? So this way you will feel relaxed. Okay. If you are getting cramps like this, so after cooling down, your body will come in a normal stage. Okay. Normalize it. Okay. It's kind of normalized. Okay. Ready? Relax. Start. 1. Twist. 2. 3. 4. Stand. Okay, children, you have to, after the exercise, you have to go for the cooling down exercise like this. Okay. So I hope children you play with this all technique. You practice whatever you learn today. Okay, and in home. Okay, do repetitions. Okay, you will not become good in one day. You have to do more repetitions every day. So day by day your kicks and your techniques will become sharp and accurate. Okay. So okay, now this is the time to wind up. I don't cheat it. Kingi. More step back. Go to class icon. Go to class icon. Okay, children. Stay in home and stay safe. Bye, children.